Hi everyone, I'm Rosalie, uh, a licensed real estate practitioner here in Siargao. So let me ask you, have you ever met someone who couldn't sell their land because it was suddenly declared under CARP? Or a farmer finally received their own land title after waiting for decades? That's the reality. Uh, Behind the comprehensive agrarian reform program. Yun talaga ang totoo. Kaya, or yun ang tinatawag na CARP, one of the most life-challenging laws in our country. Let me share a story. Ito si Mang Tonyo, isang farmer who worked with the coconut farm over 30 years. So every day, he tilled the soil, tapos nangyari na ang land wasn't his o still he never lost hope. Kasi talagang doon siya nagtrabaho. Then came last June 15, 1988 when Republic Act 6657, which is the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Law, CARL, was passed. So ito yung nag-promise sa kanya to give land to those who till it. So kaya the plan was to finish distribution within 10 years. Mm. Pero meron pa ring challenges along the way. So the program was extended under Republic Act 8530 8532 until 2008. So between 2008 and 2009, there was a gap. No new land coverage. So si Mang Tonyo, yung farmer, waited, nag-antay talaga siya. Unsure na mangyari pa ang next. Then, hope returned on Republic Act 9700. And yun ang tinatawag na Carper Law, which was enacted last 2009. So by June 30, 2014, the issuance of notices of coverage finally ended. So after those all years na nag-wait si Mang Tonyo, he really received a certificate of land ownership award by his CLOA. 'Di ba? Sabi pa um, patience is virtue. Happy si Mang Tonyo. So, mm, ang ano niyan is talagang masayang-masaya si Mang Tonyo as farmer kasi he waited so long. At last, nasa kanya na yung land in a legal way. So the piece of soil became more than just property. Kasi siya talaga ang nagtrabaho sa lupa. Ay, it's life. So it's a legacy. So, friends, the story of CARP remind us that land is not just a piece of real estate. It's life, it's a legacy, and it's empowerment. Diba? Kaya, if you're a landowner, make sure your property status is clear before selling or developing. Then, if you're a buyer or an investor, always verify if the land is under CARP or CARPer. And if you're a farmer, know your rights because your land is your future. So, let's talk if meron kang mga tanong. And again, this is Rosalie reminding you that in real estate wisdom, and integrity are your best investment. Bye for now.